Hello, this is a tablet to look. This is a tablet briefcase. He's a black colors. Open it briefcase. This is the tablet. Pick up a tablet and closing briefcase. This is a tablet. Front is black colors and back is white colors. To look. This is a model. This is a sound. This is a sound and a play and a turn tablet on button. This is a wallpapers is live and river in river is a fish. This is the shortcut. Shortcut is a Skype, sound, widget, clock, temperature, games, and other. This is the this is page for games and race, moto, bike race, fruit, ninja frenzy, talking tom, cat, and other new star, soccer, awesome ball. This button for a menu. And menu, application and widget. A is application and one page, two widget, all widget. This is Android tablet. Android version is 404. This is a good tablet and wireless. I go to settings. For a tablet. Is a version Android. This is the option. Application, language and English, Deutsch, Bosnian, English, Turkish, Spanish, French, Croatian, Italiano, and other. Back to the menu and buttons. Buttons for back to the background and buttons back to the menu. How to change wallpapers and back to the a long press on wallpapers and gallery, wallpapers, live wallpapers. I pick a live wallpapers and 3. I pick up a button. This autumn is changing live wallpapers and this is the wallpapers and set to the background wallpapers. This is the wallpapers, live, rain, how to make shortcut. Go to the menu and long press to the icon navigation. long press, and to the page
3,
and navigation,
delete, a shortcut, clock, long press and delete.
Game, games for tablet page, and I play Fruit Ninja Frenzy. Fruit Ninja Frenzy is download for web and play. The new game and
Zen mode online
arcade. I
classic.
play as Zen mode. No bumps, no lives. This is the good game.
This I played a 2-finger and 1
5 finger, 10 finger, 1 finger.
Look,
Wallpapers. Fruit Ninja Frenzy's Yin Yang, and
my Higger point is 184.
a minute time.
It's a pause and a quiet.
And quiet to the game.
This is a change a blade and a background. Select as Senshi Swang. This is blade, original blade, shiny red, Iliska blade.
My blade. Blade is at 20 and pick up at.
I heard a Senshi background and Yin Yang background.
I pick a Senshi background
and select.
This is the beautiful background for quiet to the game. 2 games is the New Star Soccer. This is the icon and press.
This is a rotation tablet.
Tablet is a have rotation and load career, new career. I pick a
loading. Please wait. It's a loading my career.
My career and play again. Continue. And time for fasted. Oh, this is goal. And passing for my player is the white shirt.
It's my team.
This is the energy. Oh, passing. This is the passing.
So good.
Oh, shot. Goal. And ball play. Oh, volley.
And the shooter is the service goalkeeper.
This energy.
Yeah. And the half time. Time is coming off.
And finish 1-1.
One press the opponent boss team.
Plus boss plus 0 team. This is the New Star Soccer and back. And this is the rotation. and battery is low. This is the tablet. Pin for a change.
Press a button for turn it off and
press
and long press and the talking tone file manager.
I change wallpapers to all and long press and wallpapers, gallery, wallpaper slide and koi free to the weather and set to the background. This is the live fish and hold to the change pin. Go to the menu and option and go. This is live 5 settings in the plus line, screen, trend, net,
Wireless.
Vodafone, wireless, and hold to the change pin. Go. Security, unlock wallpapers and symbol pin. Pin. 1 4 1. Go and back to the turn it off and testing pin. And okay. Oh, this is testing. But this is the tablet to look good tablet. It's a model a 2LX07S1. No camera and a front camera. Mini camera and rotation. It's auto rotations and clock and battery. This is the tablet to look. You have a wireless. This is tutorial tablet to look. Bye bye.